Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to welcome you. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are bringing you more home decor glam. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the first project, you will need some type of vase of your choice, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, crushed glass, and diamond glitter. This project is self-explanatory. You will apply the Mod Podge, then you will apply the crushed glass. We will apply the second coat of crushed glass off camera for time's sake, but make sure you are placing a 15-minute time in between. Give it enough time to dry, then apply the second coat of crushed glass. We are now applying the bigger pieces of the crushed glass with the glue gun. You have to apply it with the glue guns because if not, it will slide. It won't hold because it is a heavier glass, so you do want to apply it with the glue gun. For the second project, we are mixing two types of glitter. We did complete this DIY about a month ago. We are bringing it back again today so that we can glitter the decorative balls because we did get a request on making some glitter balls. So that's what we're doing today for this DIY. We are glittering some balls. Also, if you choose not to do it in white, you can pick whatever color you choose to do your ball in, and also whatever you choose to do the color of your glitter in as well. The process, as you can see, is self-explanatory. So you just cover the ball until it's complete with all glitter. We do take the time to just fast forward just in case someone wants to make this DIY and they need extra care on step by step. So that's why we just fast forward through instead of cutting out parts just in case another person gets confused. If a part happens to be too lengthy in time, then you can always fast forward through. You're more than welcome to do so. For the third project, you will need a glass fishbowl from the Dollar Tree, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and some diamond glitter. This DIY is quick and easy, self-explanatory. You're just going to fill this fishbowl with Mod Podge and you're going to cover it in a diamond glitter. And we will link all the materials that we use in the description bar below this video. When the Mod Podge finally dries clear, it will be really glitzy. So don't mind the Mod Podge when you first apply it. It will look a little thick and cloudy, but as soon as the Mod Podge dry, because it does dry clear, it will give you that glitz. On this particular DIY, 2 coats of diamond glitter is not needed. The diamond glitter is a little thicker than normal, so it looks like you have applied 2 coats. But if you want to continue to still apply 2 coats, just remember to leave that drying time of 15 minutes in between before you decide to apply your second coat. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.